In a small garden, every inch counts. Planting the same crop like lettuce in the same spot year after year is a common mistake. This drains the soil of specific nutrients. Lettuce, for example, quickly depletes nitrogen. Over time, the soil becomes tired, and your plants grow weaker and less productive. Even worse, pests and diseases that target lettuce build up in the soil, waiting for their next meal. Downy mildew spores and root aphids can survive winter, ready to attack new plants. Crop rotation is your best defense, even in tiny spaces. By moving crops each year, you break pest and disease cycles and give the soil a chance to recover. It's not just for big farms. Rotation is a simple, powerful tool for any gardener. Healthier soil means stronger, tastier harvests. Don't let habit ruin your garden's potential. Rotate your crops and watch your garden thrive. Crop rotation doesn't have to be complicated. Just divide your vegetables into 3 groups: leaves, fruits, and roots. Leaves include lettuce, spinach, and cabbage, plants that crave nitrogen. Fruits are crops like tomatoes, peppers, and beans, which need potassium and phosphorus. Roots include carrots, beets, and onions, which are less demanding and dig deep for nutrients. If you have 3 beds or containers, plant each group in a different one each year. Next year, rotate leaves, move to the next bed, fruits to the next, and so on. This simple system keeps soil nutrients balanced and starves out pests and diseases. Peas and beans, though in the fruit group, even add nitrogen back to the soil. With just a little planning, you'll keep your garden healthy and productive. No fancy charts needed, just rotate and reap the rewards. Healthy soil, happy plants, better harvests. Lettuce is vulnerable to diseases like downy mildew, root aphids, and gray mold. Downy mildew causes yellow patches and fuzzy mold, thriving in damp conditions. Root aphids attack roots, making plants wilt even in moist soil. Gray mold turns lettuce slimy, especially in crowded, damp spots. These problems linger in soil if you plant lettuce in the same place. Rotating crops breaks the cycle. Diseases and pests lose their food source and die out. Move your lettuce each year, and you'll keep your soil and your harvest healthy. Crop rotation is key, but a few extra steps make lettuce even better. Space plants well for good airflow. Crowding invites disease. Water at the base in the morning to keep leaves dry and healthy. Enrich soil with compost before planting for nutrients and structure. Mulch with straw or grass to retain moisture and block soil-borne diseases. Choose disease-resistant lettuce varieties for extra protection. Combine these habits with rotation for crisp, trouble-free lettuce. Healthy habits mean a delicious, continuous harvest.